Tara is unboxing her new Rolife Happy Corner. Nancy's Bake Shop.
This is number 4 of 6. 4 of 7.
This is cool. This could go next to the fruit stand. He had like a similar sign.
Yeah, we gave that away.
Oh, okay. I guess not then. It's not going next to it.
To Robbie.
Yeah. You got your wires.
All the breads.
Oh yeah, look at all this bread.
All pure. Cute. All your shrinkable tubings and such.
Yeah.
Wires, tweezers.
Tweezers, wires.
More parts.
Yeah.
All the parts. More paint.
Paint.
More paint.
Yeah.
Got all this paint. More paint.
Lots of paints.
Lots of paints in this one.
It's a good thing you know how to paint.
Yeah. And I've got a flower shop and a great big
What are
dollhouse.
these blue? Oh, that's probably this. Right there.
What?
I'm trying to figure out what the different colors. Oh, look at that parquet floor.
All the paper template to see what parts are what.
Those are templates.
All your glue-on papers and your cutout papers here.
Oh,
This is complex
complex. This is a complex assemblage.
procedure.
Well, this would take probably 20 hours. Or
I'm getting faster.
you get faster, but the normal person who bought this for the very first time would take about 20 hours of entertainment here. Oh, the front door. Yes. Oh, no, it's not. It's the skylight. That's this part here. Nice.
Like there's detailed instructions.
Yeah.
And every bag has a number.
Big.
Every bag
Every bag.
has a number.
Ain't too proud to beg.
Sometimes they screw up on the Chinese ones, which is like the one I just did.
Yeah.
That
The
one?
non-name ones. They're not as popular name. Not Rolife, which
Yeah,
is
they
made in.
sometimes screw up their numbering. 2, 3, 4.
Which is made in. It doesn't say. China.
China.
But it has better instructions.
This
usually.
one's better.
Yeah.
These
They
ones
got
are
a
better.
translator. Yeah. This is cool.
Yeah, so I just
We'll
did
do a
that
whole video of
You want
that.
to do that now?
I'll do a different
I'll close
video.
the eyes. I'll close the lights off. Here, I'll do it.